Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte declaring a state of public health emergency in the country.
Duterte will place Metro Manila on lockdown.
Well, Philippine authorities are set to implement a community quarantine of the entire region of Metro Manila.
COVID-19 is spreading all throughout the country. Everything is placed in jeopardy.
The harsh COVID-19 pandemic has changed us all. Many have suffered a tragic and irrevocable loss. Millions have lost their jobs, don't have any work to go back to, and many essential workers have been working through the pandemic without much choice. There are also others who use the opportunity to reflect on their lives and potentially to reset them. During the lockdown in Metro Manila, May and her brother Paul grabbed a last-minute flight back to their hometown in Bohol. After self-quarantining themselves for 14 days, they lived in what they thought would last a few weeks or so in their parents' hostel in Panglao Island called the Backpackers Barn, which used to be popular to backpackers for its affordable price and proximity to the famous Alona Beach, now fully empty during the pandemic. At 37 years old, May is what many people would consider conventionally successful. Highly educated and credentialed actuary in the Philippines, she's used to traveling around the world a few times a year. This pandemic is probably the longest she's been back home since she left for the big city shortly after graduation. Now she's back, and before she knew it, May has become a stereotype. Having adopted over 10 cats since the lockdown, she felt overwhelmed and decided she needed a solution fast. With animal shelters full, millions of stray dogs and cats roam around the Philippines. According to the Philippines Animal Welfare Society, there are currently more than 12 million stray dogs and cats roaming around the country. Each year, many thousands of the animals are euthanized in pounds or die of disease, hunger, or wounds resulting from fighting. In Bohol, non-governmental organizations like Bohol Animal Rescue and Kindness, or BARK, who are dedicated to help solve stray population, are full and overwhelmed. They encourage private individuals to adopt and have their pets spayed or neutered. While the Backpackers Barn used to donate silently in the past, May has decided that it's time to actively join the campaign as well.
Hi, welcome back. And today we are here at the Backpackers Barn because today they're opening the very first cat cafe in Bohol. So after a very long hibernation during the pandemic, today the Backpackers Barn is opening again, and we have been invited for a vloggers event and also to see all the very cute cats that are here that they have adopted, and to honor them they have opened the very first cat cafe in Bohol. So all the most popular vloggers in Bohol are here, and we are also going to meet them today. Hello. These are the most popular vloggers in Bohol.
Yan ang Jilan Vlogs.
Che Galandas Vlog.
Manik Vlogs. And Garcia Vlogs. Hello.
That's vlog. That's vlog. Alright. Alright. And we are the team fighters.
So, kaubali na mga kasunod-sunod si Ma'am Queenie. So, please subscribe and follow Adulting starts at 40. Challenge. Mag-istorya ka ni sir. Okay. You talk to him.
I'll challenge you to visit Mayana and climb the highest peak in Bohol, which is the Mount Matunog.
Mount Matulog.
Yeah, Matunog.
Okay, that sounds great, man. Challenge accepted.
Yeah.
Basta Bisaya, Duklon.
When?
Yeah.
Well, this month would be great in April. So, well, sounds like a deal, huh?
Yeah. Ma'am,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
tell us why you decided to open the cat cafe?
You ask the owner. you ask me.
Okay. So, hello, ma'am.
Hello.
So, this is the very first cat cafe in Bohol. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you very much. Well, it was by accident, not by not planned, not thoroughly planned. But this is just to give an inspiration to other people to ensure that cats, especially stray cats, are also taken care of, and they are also given kindness, fed, and loved. Also as a kind of social awareness to adopt and don't shoot, to have them neutered, to have them vaccinated, so that we can control the overpopulation of cats in the area. Is that good?
Yeah, that's
Now
really
the
amazing. But, okay, one last. How many cats do you have here?
We have 10 in the area, 8 adult cats. All of them are neutered, and 2 kittens who are still 3 months old.
Ah, okay. And can we pet them?
You can try to pet them, but cats, there are queens, so if they like you, they will ask to be pet, but sometimes they like their space. So I think we should also be respectful of that, like we do other people's moods. So that's it. But they're very friendly. They are vaccinated. They are what do you call it? They already had their anti-rabies vaccines. They are neutered, and they are friendly, but sometimes they're moody, and they have different personalities.
Do you have a favorite amongst all the cats?
Well, my original cat, my first adopted cat, is Kai Kai. She's also very independent. She's just roaming around the area. All our cats are free to roam in the area. They are not caged here. They are just, welcome to go on about, sleep in my room. It's like sometimes they own the place and not us. So that's how cats are.
And I really like the cat apron as well. There's a nice touch.
Thank you. Now again, can I interest you in a milkshake?
What is your specialty?
We have several. Right now we have lychee milkshake. We have avocado, very seasonal. We have kainito. This is also very good milkshake. We also have smoothies, yogurt based. They are homemade yogurt based. Also made of honey instead of sugar syrup. So it's healthier than the milkshake.
Can I have something yogurt based with chocolate in it?
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Chocolate.
Wow, that really breaks my keto diet, but that's so good, so super good. Let's see if mango matches to that. I mean, this looks like something that you order in a 5-star hotel. I mean, look at that. Look how beautiful it is. Yes, really good mango. This is yogurt and mango in very, very high quality smoothie. How much, Nisia?
130, ma'am.
This is only 130 pesos, and today during the anniversary is buy one take one, and so good. Look how beautiful they are.
Back to my channel.
Bossing, hello. Welcome to the barn. Hi, hello.
Hi.
Welcome to the barn on our 4th year anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
karaoke time for the vloggers.
Does that include you?
No, it includes you.
Can't imagine anything with you. Need you more and more to die.
Ang kalinaw, mabuti ning dapita, sa kanan nga mo ang hidingin. Ang Ginoo manaapi.
Manausap
Kini amo nga gipangayo. Pinagi ni Kristo among Ginoo.
Amen.
Amahan mo nga
sa mga langit, pagdaygon ang imong ngalan, umabot ka na mo ang imong gingharian. Patuhan ang imong pagbuot, inisayo ka, maingon sa langit. Ang kalanulaw sa matag alaw, ihatag ka na mo karon adlaw. O pasaylo kami sa among mga sala, maingon nga nagapasaylo kami sa mga nagasanagalago.
That's all for today mga sanong-sanas. Thank you so much. So thank you so much, Ma'am Maragin, for inviting us, the bar, and the whole, the Backpackers Bar. Subscribe and follow.
Their YouTube channel,
Yes.
Adult in Stars at 40.
Yes.
Yes, please follow and subscribe. Don't forget to come here at the Backpackers Bar every day. Also,
Today, the Barn Cat Cafe is giving away meal vouchers for 2, so you can experience their to-die-for yogurt-based chocolate smoothies, homemade burgers, salted pancakes, and more. To join, simply do the following. Number 1, on Facebook, follow the Barn Cat Cafe, follow the Backpackers Barn, and follow my page, Adulting Starts at 40. Number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Adulting Starts at 40. And number 3, make a comment and tell us what you did. If you want to be part of the solution, visit Bohol Animal Rescue and Kindness or BARK on Facebook and find out how you can adopt, how you can help or donate. And also make sure that your pets are vaccinated, neutered, or spayed. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And remember, it's all a show. This is your life, and you can design it in any way you like.